Pat a cake, baker's man. Pat a cake, baker's man. That I will master as fast as I can. That I will master as fast as I can. Take it and bake it and mark it with me. Take it and bake it and mark it with me. There'll be enough, oh, there'll be enough. There'll be enough for baby and me. And he used to croon that by the nursery fire. Of that simple ditty we would never tire. But Hollywood has changed things, and now today Nanny's kind of gone all Alice Faye. Pat a cake, baker's man. Come back to me as soon as you can. You'll find me awaiting here by the bridge. You'll find the ice cream still in the fridge. While you're away, life seems so blue. I'll be waiting, baby, for you. That's quite enough, really quite enough. Quite enough for baby and me. Attaboy, rhythm fan. In the groove, on the mat, in the can. Don't know what it means, and neither do you. Guess it's kind of basic jazzaroo. Swing it and sing it and sling it about. Shake it and take it and chuck it right out. Party's getting rough, altogether tough. So that'll be enough for baby and me.